Hi and welcome back. Last week we learned what sustainability means, and in this module we will look at how to assess whether something is sustainable or not. How do we actually know whether activities are compatible with sustainable development? Whether a product that we buy is sustainable or not? Whether our economic development is going in the right direction? This is the area of sustainability assessment. And everything you will learn in this course is somehow related to this area. In order for it to be really meaningful, any sustainability assessment has to meet certain criteria. First, it should include all three dimensions of sustainability, that is environmental, social and economic. Second, it should be based on life cycle thinking. That is, you include the full cradle-to-grave life cycle of any product or technology or activity that is being assessed. This also means that it has to be global, which means it needs to include the environmental, social and economic impacts from all over the world, because everything we do is linked to other countries through global trade. For example, if we import a product from another country, we also have to take into account that pollution from the production of this product may occur in the other country. As you will see, there are many examples of this. And lastly, fourthly, a meaningful sustainability assessment should tell us whether we are in the safe and just operating space that we learned about last time. That is, whether we are operating within the planetary boundaries and meeting necessary social goals. We will go through several sustainability assessment approaches in this course. But the one you will learn most about is called Input-Output Analysis. This is a kind of economy-wide life cycle assessment, and it meets the criteria that I've just outlined. In the next few weeks of this course, we will therefore take a closer look at Input-Output Analysis. Thank you.